In the case of the Narsampa Temple at Warangal, the rest-strengthening process is being carried out by using a core-cutting machine. This machine is used to extract small core samples from the concrete structure, which are then subjected to non-destructive testing. The testing process helps in evaluating the structural integrity of the concrete and identifying any weak areas that need to be reinforced or retrofitted. Applying Nito bond to the old column. Some of the pictures of retrofitting of RCC structures. For more videos, please subscribe to my